How to get started with a flooring project. Here are 5 of our most frequently asked questions and answers to help you get started with your flooring project. 1. Why do you need to come out to our house for a quick quote? So we can see exactly what we will be working with and make the best recommendation for your home. 2. How long has your crew been together? The team has had 0 turnover since 1986. Crews are paid and respected at high levels, and that feeds into the quality of work. 3. Why does wood need to sit in my home prior to installation? So the materials can adjust to your space's natural temperature and humidity levels. 4. Can I stay in my home while my floors are refinished? You can stay home, you just can't walk on the floors. 5. Another company has given us a room for free. Can you match it? Many of our customers are surprised that our total is less than other quotes, even with bonuses such as free rooms.